How to log into HAC, or your Home Access Center. First thing, put down springisd.org. Once the website loads, you will come over here to the orange banner that says My Spring ISD. Click on that. Here is where you will put in your username and your password, and then click Sign In. Remember that your username is the first letter of your last name, first letter of your first name, followed by your ID number. When this pops up, it will show you the different apps available. Schoology, Resources, Office 365, Instructional Apps, Home Access Center app, Google Apps, and Gmail. Remember that your Gmail account is the first letter of your last name, first letter of your first name, followed by your ID number. At students.springisd.org. For now, we're going to click on the Home Access button. You will put in your username and password again, and it will load to the Home Access Center. Again, you will put in your username and click Sign In. Once in the Home Access Center, you're at your home screen. Then it shows attendance, your classes, classwork, and your schedule. It will also show your grades and student support. For your classes, you will want to click on Schedule and see all of your teachers and the period and the description of your class. To log out, you just simply click Log Out, and it takes me back to the app page.